Hi, Abigail.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
Wow, I can see you have a new toy today. What is it?
Shop and go cashier.
Yes, you're right. It's a shop and go cash register. It tells you how many items inside the box. Do you know how many? Yes, it's 24 pieces of items included in the box. Okay, let's open it and to see what's inside the box. Are you ready? We have grapes. We have banana. And there's one more basket full of groceries over there. Can you bring it here, Abby? And there is like a bottle of water, mustard, and a ketchup.
Yeah.
Yes, so here are the items included in the cash register or a shop and go cash register. The basket is also part of it. So this is the mustard. Let's put it everything and we will pay to the cashier. The corn, tomato. Wait. I will show you first how many items we found in the cash register. Okay, and we are ready to pay. And Abigail is going to show us how the cash register operates. Okay. Abigail, who is my cash register or cashier, and she is ready to show us how the machine works.
This is how the machine works.
Yes?
So if you touch this, it makes if you scan the banana.
Yeah, say for example, you're going to scan an item that has no code. You just keyed in how many items does the customer bought, right? So say for example, the customer bought 2 items or 3 items of a water bottle. You have to scan it and press how many
199
items does the customer buy, right?
Yeah.
And Abigail scanned the water already, so she will scan the ketchup. She will scan the banana and grapes. And Abigail, a ball. Abigail is keying how many balls we have. No, this is ball, so you don't have to scale it.
Yes, you do.
Yes, and this is the grapes. Okay, and Abigail is scaling the grapes and keying in how many pounds does the grapes weigh. Okay, and there's the sardines. The sardines. Yes, and my tomato. Now I have to pay for
Cash or credit?
I am going to pay credit or debit card. I guess, yeah, this button, if you press it, it will show you the cash and coins. And
So
this time,
we'll get cash.
I'm going to pay, what is a credit card?
No, cash and credit.
Cash and credit. Okay, cash, you can do that. Cash and credit. So Abigail scans my debit card or a credit card, and this time, because I want the cash back, she is going to give me some cash. So we have a $2 bill. Oh, I'll show you. So I guess that's pretty much about it. my cashier here is going to put all my items back on my basket. And everything is ready to go. Thank you very much, cashier, of putting back my items inside the basket. So now I have one full basket full of groceries. Yes, thank you for watching and have a good day.